Hello everybody, Will Scott with Cultures Arts. And today we're going to be doing a speech around core workflow as opposed to some of the others that you'll see in this section of the website. And this is also a companion speech to the Culture Fix book, where you can also get a workbook where one of the 9 deeds in 90 days is indeed dictating or providing a speech around core. In this case, I want you to see how Matrix 4, this amazing plastic injection molding company in Illinois, has brought in their core values into their core workflow. And I'm going to do a little speech here that we use when we're entertaining or showing prospective customers around our facility. This is proudly displayed on the wall, and we always stop and give them a little taste of Matrix this way. And we think this is a great way, if they're touring other manufacturing companies in the area, this is one thing that sets us a little bit apart, because it gives them a good idea of what they can expect when they work with us. It's a little bit of a peek behind the curtains, if you like, and in terms of who we are and how we can expect to work with our customers. So, the Matrix 4 core workflow. We have 3 core values: people first, make meaningfully, and communicate purposefully. But what about the steps in our process from when we care about our brand to when we finally send product out the door to our clients? Well, you might notice this big arrow here depicting the overarching mantra for us, if you like, which is we want to deliver a positive customer experience at every touch point. And there's a number of touch points as we go through here. Let's start with the brand. We really care about our brand. This company was founded in the 70s, has been a powerful manufacturing company in the space ever since, and we definitely have a reputation to maintain. And we do that by being active in our community, promoting our brand, doing so on social, and we're a little different. We're not your average manufacturing company. The tone is set by the granddaughter of the founder, Patricia Miller, the current CEO and owner of Matrix 4, and she brings a whole different flair to the manufacturing world with the way she manages and leads the brand. So we have a community and our brand that we care about, and that leads to leads, referrals, and ultimately requests for quotations, but only because we're building relationships and we care about relationships. We know that if we build good relationships and do great service, we will get more leads and referrals. So let's say we've sent you an RFQ and now you're ready to begin with us. And you'll notice that this first part here relies around people first. These core values thread throughout, but in this front end of our process, we're very much about the people side. And then we move into this make meaningfully. And you'll see us talking about making meaningfully quite a bit in our marketing efforts. We don't just want to make plastic parts for you, we want to do so meaningfully. And we know that if we're making, for example, a plastic box that's actually a drawer for a refrigerator in the appliance industry, it's not just a plastic box. It is actually, ultimately, putting healthy, fresh food on the tables of our customer's customer. So when we make meaningfully, we go through the thought process to take it beyond simply making that plastic box. When you begin with us, the first thing we do is get a solution for you. We're going to bring our expertise around our engineering and our manufacturing know-how and our decades of experience. We're going to provide a proposal that's meaningful for you and that shows that we listen and heard what your needs are, and it's going to meet your timing requirements. Then we're going to get into the onboarding stage, which begins with a kickoff, and we're going to get all the details of your project at that point. And you're going to find a heavy amount of project management that makes sure that we are continually communicating purposefully and we're doing it in a people-first way. And then into this next phase of our core workflow, we're going to execute by, of course, buying the raw materials we need, training our team on making these new parts for you, and then we're going to get into the actual manufacturing of them. And finally, the deliver phase, we're going to make sure we're packing to the specifications that you expected, and we're going to ship on time, And we have this little acronym that we have come up with at Matrix 4, which is this AutoCAD, where we're going to make sure it's on time, on quality, every time. So if at some point you don't experience us living up to this standard, if you don't feel like we're delivering positive customer experience at every touch point, if you feel like we missed a beat on something here, we want you to tell us. And that's why we display this and want you to know what our values are and how we, what you can expect when you work with Matrix 4. So hopefully this core values or core workflow speech has been a good example of communicating purposefully. Thank you for watching, and check out our other core speeches in the section of the website, and pick up a copy of the Culture Fix to learn more about the other 9 deeds in 90 days.